Yeah, sono. Kakeni Gakundo quarters. How much? Gakundo quarters. Behind Godia. Behind it. You know Gakundo. How much? Oga, make I give you 200. From there, they carry waiting they call them. They carry 300 from there now. I tell make I track here so that it will reduce my money. Let me give you 200 beg. Do you have 500 naira change? Okay. This is all kadang. Yes, make it do. So we are going home now, Sha. Yes. Yeah, then back home. I've gotten a bike, so we're going home. How is work? How much is fuel now? Petrol. That's how much they sell fuel now. How much? 950. Hey, now wow, the thing never even reduced. And God go help us. So it's our nation. God will help us. Black market.
Yeah. 1,001.
15 naira. Oh, that means they are using 100 naira to sell it.
Yeah.
As well. Bovas that they don't sell in keg. And so why are people not going there? Is it that people are always much there? That's why people don't go there. I said, why are you people not going there to buy instead of buying it from those people selling 950? You sell 800 for Bovas, ba? I said, why you know they buy from there? This is well. God will help us in this nation and give us good leaders. Because this suffer is too much. People no fit chop well again like before. It's only God that can help us. Which road is this one? It's supposed to be helpful. Don't miss road. So no. Yes, sir. Okay, you don't know this shortcut well or which one? Okay, this one you come down. Go like this. Go down.